pretty in makeup, Devin. I look
It's okay. No, you look cute too. So I'm gonna do my sister's makeup this fine day because we're giving Amanda a makeover. And we're gonna get a little bit closer in. Amanda, how long have you been doing makeup?
Not very long. Not long enough.
Look at me.
I don't know what to do. Is that good? Did you get it all?
Yeah, I got him.
Am I supposed to have my eyes open or closed?
Look like,
or both.
Just look at me.
Yeah.
I'm a professional.
Do people do your makeup? Do you ever know what this feels like on your side?
Yeah, it's horrible. I hate it. Look at me. This is the brow pencil in soft brown. We probably should have bought some of these like while we were at Ulta.
Probably.
They were on sale for $10.50.
But that one's also lasted me like 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah. I probably should buy makeup more often. Or use it more often. Or both.
I really hate that like we've lost the spoolie end of this, but that's okay.
It's because it's a cheap product.
I really hope my camera doesn't die while I'm doing this video.
Yeah, that sucks because I'm going to capture so many really funny things.
Are you looking at my armpit?
Isn't that where you're supposed to focus?
No.
Oh.
So yeah, Amanda has really thick brows. In fact,
They're really thick, but they're also very white.
Yeah. I am gonna, oh, sorry, that's not mine. You go home.
Still every little piece of makeup I have. Not like it's much.
Guess what? You're gonna start over with new makeup.
Well, that probably wouldn't be a bad thing because all that I have is like kind of old.
This eyebrow is way better than this eyebrow.
I know, it arches more too.
Yeah.
It's the archy one.
Everyone has one.
Which is way higher.
I'm gonna use some of this. I think you would like it too, but not in the 6. This one is kind of dark, but it's okay.
Oh. It just feels nice.
It feels really nice on the skin. Fills in all those little holes.
All the holes. The divots. The holes in your face.
Fills them in. A nice peach.
It's a nice little like plaster.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Mm-hmm. That's nice.
Good. It feels so soothing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now, what color do you think we should do today? It doesn't mean I'm going to do your makeup that way. I'm just curious what color you think I should do.
Okay, so when the last time I really had my makeup, other than when you did my hair makeup for my wedding, last time before that, the last person that did my makeup was like when Grandma made me go for my birthday, and she told me to match your makeup to what you're wearing. So, does that mean I'm supposed to wear green today? Green everything?
You're not wearing, I'm not going to do green. I'm thinking peachy.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking like peach tones.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna make you like a clown because everyone likes to ask if I'm gonna make them into a clown when I'm doing their makeup.
That's a fair
not
question.
Making her into
a fair question.
I mean, clearly I look like a clown, so I want to make an army of clowns.
But you can get away with doing these things. A natural person, like, no.
No, don't you know?
No. I wore blue eyeliner one time, and I'm pretty sure that it did look like a clown. It was very obvious. It wasn't like a subtle blue. It was like electric blue, and it didn't look good at all.
Wait, what was this?
It was a while ago.
Was it me?
No.
Oh.
I don't know why I thought I had blue eyes, so blue eyeliner is obviously a good idea.
Well, I mean, I have blue eyeliner on.
Well, you're the exception.
What are you doing? I'm not putting this on your eyeballs.
Shut
Close
eyes.
it.
Open or close.
Shut them. Just relax. Just this color.
Mm-hmm.
I think
Gamma Ray.
It's a highlight, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow on you because we don't have to follow
breaking all the rules.
Breaking the law. And I got this new little brush from Ulta, and it looks like a little rose.
So cute.
It's so cute. They had a bigger one. I think I'm gonna probably get that one eventually too. But it's a little eyeshadow brush. So, let's get started.
Their logo used to show both of her tails, you know, because she has 2 tails. Well, now it's zoomed up to where you see see just like her torso area, you know?
Uh-huh.
And then it said like 2020 is just her face.
Oh yeah, I see
and like
that.
2030 is just her eyeball. I don't know why. I thought it was so
That is funny. I haven't seen it progress to that one. Like,
Yeah.
I've seen the one where it's just her face and like it zoomed in closer to her face, but I
Yes.
haven't seen the one where it gets even close to her eyebrow.
Yeah, like it's just like her eyeball. I feel like
Mhm.
it's like from like the very beginning of like Starbucks with the two tails. It's so funny. And then the other day I did notice, they gave me a Starbucks cup, and the like what's it called, the thing that's supposed to, the cardboard thing, you know, so your hand won't get burnt or whatever. It was just her face.
Oh. Was that scary for you?
Yeah, because I was like, oh, it really is progressing fast.
Okay.
To where it's just her eyeball.
We're like all of, okay, so now we're up close and personal. This is way better.
Way better this way. Do I need to look at you now?
No. This is Mom's night out.
My eyelashes are kind of puny.
No, it's just like, I feel like
They're not dramatic enough for
fake
what we're
eyelashes.
going for.
Yeah, fake eyelashes make you look like Wham Pow.
Wham bam.
Thank you, ma'am. They make you look like it's your night out.
Let's not make it too obvious that I never go out. Like, oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
She's trying out every color tonight.
She had all the colors. I love this color. I feel like you're not relaxing your eyeball.
Oh, it's kind of hard because you're poking me in it and I don't know when to expect it or not, because you're like, just close your eyes.
This color I'm using is Gamma Ray from the Crush on Blush palette, and this palette is amazing. This is like, it's like a rose gold highlighter color, and I'm using it on her inner corner. Of course, you can't really tell because she's not looking at the camera. Look at the camera.
This is so many instructions. I don't know how to do this.
You know what? I think we need to move the camera again.
Oh Lord.
We will be back. This is better.
So you see all the detail.
Okay, so we're closer now. Because we want everyone to see.
You can see all of the little bitty details. Every single sparkle.
Okay, back to business. Why aren't you facing the camera?
Okay.
Hey, I want you to... Hold on.
Oh, Lord. Like you're gonna be coming through it. Next time we cut, you're gonna be behind the camera. We're coming between it. Look at the camera. Look at it.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I'm not laugh anymore.
Stop. I'm gonna do it with my left hand because that's just how I'm feeling tonight.
Okay, great. Usually with your right, but you're
I'm ambidextrous.
I think your left is better tonight too.
Well, that's why people can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, that's great. Keep doing that.
This
Yeah.
really smooths out the wrinkles in my eyes.
Mm-hmm. It's great.
Okay.
This is awesome. You're doing great. You're doing great, sweetie.
This is a lot of work.
Open your eyes. You look beautiful. I just want everything to show. I've never had anyone.
I think you should just wear the camera on your forehead. Next time I come down, it better be on your forehead.
I think that's actually a really good idea.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think that's an excellent idea.
Like Dr. Pimple Popper, she has her
Does
camera.
she?
Yeah.
Okay.
My eyes do look good.
Thank you. We're not even done. Isn't that exciting?
Very exciting.
Don't you love this?
I love it.
This is so
I wish
exciting.
I did this every day.
I know, right? So much fun.
is only like 10 times longer than what I actually take.
Really?
Yes.
Look that way.
You mean turn this way, but don't open my eyes.
Yeah. You knew what I meant.
Mm-hmm.
Don't open your eyes.
Okay. So can like all of your clients do this? Like you just go to town like this?
Mm-hmm.
I get like nervous about like breathing on people. Like even I go get my eyebrows waxed, I'm like, am I breathing too hard? Like I hope they don't.
No,
like, really
I just
try
want
to
to.
breathe
I
on
just
me.
want to get it done. So most of the time they just do it. Okay, look at the camera. That looks nice.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Looks really good.
So good.
You make.
I don't know if you put it the right way.
Why?
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Yep.
War paint. That's what you just did. Mouth is open.
Oh my gosh. And going, help me.
That would be good though. My face is no marks, just white. All the sprinkles are
I'm
gone.
not done. This is why you ruined my creative aspect when I was a kid. I'm not done.
What are you gonna do? Paint the freckles back on? Like, here's all your freckles back. And come back with like eyebrow pencil or something.
Yeah, actually, that was exactly what I was gonna do.
Da 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 da.
Look up.
Okay.
Your face right now is so funny.
Oh.
You made the weirdest noise.
I have like a golden nose.
We're not done. Jeez, you're the most critical person.
I mean, seriously, like it's like my nose is the sun, and my eyes are like orbiting around it, and like my mouth.
Dude, you are so critical. You are the worst. I'm never doing your makeup ever again. Ever.
In this lighting, my nose looks
I want you to make a fish face.
like what?
Do a fish.
Buddy, but
Suck your cheeks in. Okay, thank you. Wow, you look so beautiful.
yeah.
Do you feel beautiful?
Mm-hmm. My nose is still really cold.
Okay, we'll fix it.
People are gonna make fun of me.
Golden nose.
Golden nose.
I'm gonna help you, and then this is how you repay me.
Help me in what way? Like, I'm not going to interview or something. Like, yeah. Just socially, just publicly trying to help you. Your face is distraught.
No, your face is beautiful. I'm helping you.
Emphasize on the nose and the temples.
You are ungrateful.
I just love what you're doing. You're putting more white because you agree.
No, I just want to hear you just be quiet about it.
Oh, that's all. Okay.
What? What? Say it.
I just don't think bronzer is meant to be on me specifically.
I think it looks fine.
I think deathly white is my color. And no bronzer, no blush.
No blush?
Yeah, like I mean,
I don't think this looks bad, honestly.
Maybe it's just me.
I think it's just you. We're doing something a little bit different, and you're
Unaccepting, I guess.
yeah,
I'm just scared. Just scared.
afraid of what you don't know.
Yeah.
Good.
You look like a turtle. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I think you look good. I don't know what your problem is.
I think my eyes look really good. My eyes look good.
You don't like your face?
I like my face. Normal.
Why are you laughing?
I just don't know how you could add more. Is this highlighter?
Yeah.
Let's see. Gotta get purple.
That looks really good. Now we're gonna do this lip gloss, but yours. And not out of your comfort zone. It's Vintage Lip Gloss by Anastasia.
It's pretty.
It is really pretty. That's alright, this is the end of Amanda's transportation into Glamazon. If you like her makeup, please like and subscribe. I think she looks very beautiful, but Amanda does not. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe, and hope to see you guys next time.